Pro and KEEL Max is, from operation wise, it's handy due to its modular design. So basically it's divided into 3 parts, right? 2 arms and 1 fuselage. So easy to carry. That's very amazing figure, you know. Usually drones I see in the market, if the aircraft weight is about 67 kg, it can only lift about 20 kg or 30 kg. In terms of that payload ratio, KEEL Pro or KEEL Max is very efficient and very light, but at the same time it's very strong and light. I think battery is also playing a very important part in its performance. So the carbon fiber material, very light but strong material. Everything is like optimized to make the best performance. I think we are satisfied. Whether they are in Korea, USA, Australia, I'm sure they will be interested